Hey guys, welcome to Research Talk. Today's video we will see one more product unboxing, and that product name is a Insta360 X3. I'm purchasing this product here in Power Store located on Copenhagen, Denmark. The product price 4,399 Danish krona, around Indian currency 50,000 INR. So we will see inside the box which types of product look like and what is the advantage. So let's check it out as an unboxing. This is Insta360. This camera is if you are capturing the photo like a 72 megapixel, capturing the photo, active HDR video, invisible selfie stick. So many options are available. You can control as a voice control, AI power editor software also available. The company are providing. I just simply open this box here. Now it's open. Okay, this is a product, real product. First of all, I open this one. This is our product. First of all, we remove this one. Okay, they are providing, this is a case. Yeah, it's really good. You can put it there and then carry the safety feature. Okay, these are the magic booklet. If you are not understand how to use it, so you can read those magic booklet and learn much more of the product. This one is a sticker, same as it is GoPro and iPhone also providing, so they are also providing same. Okay, this is a cleaner of using this one. You can clean the screen of the product. And this is a C-type charging cable. So if you have MacBook, so you can charge using the MacBook also. So here if you have selfie stick, you can fix out here properly and then record the picture. Here there is charging, you can put it here. For example, I have the C port, I can put it here, and the charging is a start. Hope so after full charging this one is going to the green signal. It's easy, open and press long, harder little bit. Here switch on, power button is this. I just simple press and it's open. Look at this here, and the camera belongs in 360. Currently memory card is not available here. So look at this, the screen. I just simply remove this one. This one also swap. It's easy. Oh, feel are very good. If go with video. Okay, pull the battery first and insert a SD card here. This is a speaker, both sides the speaker. Using this one you can record very easily. If you need to remove your battery, you need to first of all remove this one and then remove your battery very easy. Look at this, this is your battery. You just simply look like this and your battery is removed. Battery is huge, capacity around 1800 ampere battery. First of all we can fix here the SD card. Here is a SD socket, memory card socket is available. I have two types of memory card. I just fix out here 128 gigabytes. It's very easy and that's it. Now I just fix here the battery and now I just simply again on. So let's see my memory card is accepted or not. So that's it. So guys, this is a simple unboxing of Insta360 X3. Upcoming days I will provide you detailed information which setting is the best, how to capture, how to edit, how to upload so many video. Definitely I will publish on our YouTube channel Research Rocks as well as tech related video. Don't miss such kind of notifications, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.